Hello and welcome guys to this interesting session of Microsoft Azure. Today we are going to see Microsoft Azure Storage Services. Before starting the session guys, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon for future notification. So today we are going to see Azure Storage. We are going to understand what is Azure Storage and what are the benefits of Azure Storage. The types of Azure Storage services, and we are going to see one of the services that is Blob storage. And at last we are going to do some programming using Microsoft Azure Blob storage with C#, .NET Core and Blazor server application. So what is Azure Storage? Azure Storage offers highly available, massively scalable, durable and secure storage for variety of data objects in the cloud. So it is highly available, highly scalable and available on the cloud. Azure Storage data objects that are accessible from anywhere using our HTTP or HTTPS services. Also, Azure Storage offers various client libraries like .NET, Java, Python, JavaScript, C++ and Go. So this is all about your Azure Storage introduction. So the benefit of Azure Storage. In previous slide we saw it is highly available, highly scalable. Same thing here. The benefits are durable and highly available, secure, scalable, it's managed structure and accessible globally through HTTP or HTTPS. There are different kind of Azure storage services are there, like Azure Blobs, Azure File, Queues, Tables and Disks. So blobs are the massive scalable object store for text and binary data, also include the support for big data analytics. Today we are going to see Azure Blobs. So what is Azure File? It's a managed file share for cloud and on-premise deployment. What is Azure Queues? A messaging service or store for reliable messaging between application components. We are going to see one by one in our future sessions. What is Azure Tables? A NoSQL store for schema-less storage of structured data. And what is Azure Disks? Block level storage volumes for Azure Virtual Machine or VMs. So we are going to see today Azure Blobs. So what is Azure Blob? It is a storage service for storing large amount of unstructured objects such as text or binary data. You can use blob storage to expose data publicly to the world or store application data privately. There are different security configurations are there. Common use of blob storage are include serving the images or document directly to the browser. So today we are going to see the Azure Blob using C#. So I created a Blazor server application here. So in the Blazor, if I am running this Blazor server application, so here I am going to upload files and creating the blob, and I am going to download blob. For this I am using today the Nuget package called Azure Blob, azure.storage.blobs, and Microsoft Azure.storage.blob. Okay, two Nuget packages I am going to use. So I created my server application. Okay, let's stop the application from running. Nuget Package console. So this is my console, and here I am going to install these two Nuget package. I am going to give this Nuget package link on the video description also, so you can check it out. So let's install this package. Done. We are also going to install this one also. So done. So here I already written the code to upload the file to this path. If you don't know how to upload file using Blazor server app, so I have already a video. I will give the link on I button. You can check it out. There are so many videos where I already showed how to upload files, images. Okay, so I am uploading the file and storing the exact file name inside this exact file name variable. Okay, this is my file path. So now I am going to write the code to upload files and blob for Azure blobs. So before that I need to create Azure Storage account. So this is Azure Storage account. Click on create. So I'm giving this one, and my region is South India. I'm not doing anything. Review and create. So running final validation pass. Let's click on create. So create, saying deploying. So deployment in progress. While deployment in progress, let's go to our code and add one string which is Azure connection string. So I'm giving a string here, Azure connection. Okay, I will get the connection string after the deployment is completed. So deployment is completed. Click on go to resource. So directly go to containers here, left hand side. So you can see there is no container, only the inbuilt, the predefined logs is there. Click on container. Here I'm giving bsyt container, not doing anything, right clicking on create. So this is my container. Now next go to the, click on this container, go to the shared access token. Now store policy, give the permission. I want to create delete list. Okay, generate the source token. Now again go to our storage service, which is BYTS storage. Go to the access key part. Here click on show keys. So you can see this is my connection string. Copy this connection string. I'm going to keep here is my connection string. So this string is my connection string for my Azure storage. So inside my file upload button, select file. I already uploading the file here, getting the exact file name. Here I am going to write this line of code which is creating a blob client through Azure storage. So if you go to here, you may need some kind of right click, quick action refraction. We're also going to need this Microsoft Azure namespaces. So if something is showing here, this. So here I am creating one Azure Storage .blob client. Here I am giving my constant string, which is I added in my public variables, and what is my container name. So if you go to the container section, so here this is my container name. So I am going to keep my container name as this, and what is the file I am going to upload, that file name. So let's see, keep a debug point on select file, run this one. So now file uploaded, continue. See, file uploaded to container, go to our Azure portal. Upon click on this, so you can see computervision.png. So this file got uploaded to our blob container. Now we are going to download the current file, which is stored in our exact file name, right? So downloading file is very easy on this case. In this download file event, which is I am calling particular in this button, download recent blob. So here what I am doing, the same thing, I am creating one blob client, blob container name, and what is the file name, and I am downloading in my this particular path. So let's see, go to this path, there is nothing now. So the file I will upload here, I can download in this section. So run this now. So now I am uploading this storage one. So wait for some second. File uploaded. So let's see, refresh on this container. So storage one. Now go to the portal, click on download recent blob. Now see, we are getting this complete file inside our application, inside our folder, in our designated folder, this one. So in this way we can upload blob container file and download using C#.NET Core. Guys, in our coming session of blob Azure Storage, you are going to see Azure Files and Azure Tables. So please stay tuned. Thank you very much.